It's Chantel with Wild Fairy Quilting, and today we are sewing Block 8 from the Barnstar Sampler book, and that will be the Farmer's Star. So let's get started. And we are starting with pieces A and pieces B, and we're just going to join them like this. Now we want to join 8 of these if we are doing the 2 blocks. If you're only doing a single block, you will be joining 4 of these. Now these are a directional print, but I am not really paying any attention to that, and I'm just going to use them however they end up. Now we have our A pieces and our C pieces, and we are going to join them like this. And again, we are wanting to make 8 of these if we are doing, or 4 of these if we are doing 1 block. Alright, now we have these unit pieces and the rest of our C pieces, and we are going to join these C pieces to the other side like this. Now we have our A and B units and our C and B units. And we are going to join them together like this. Now we have our B pieces and our D pieces, and we are going to join those together like this. And we're going to make 8 of these if we were doing the 2 blocks, or 4 if we're doing 1 block. Alright, now our units look like this, and we are going to be taking these and connecting them like this. Now we have our E pieces and our D pieces, and we are going to snowball the top corner with our D pieces. We're going to do 4 of these, or 8 if we're doing the 2 blocks. Okay, now our E blocks look like this, and we are going to take the other D pieces and snowball them into the top corner. So now we have our B pieces and our F pieces, and we are going to make flying geese with these. Alright, so now we have these units, and we are going to be taking our remaining F pieces and finishing our flying V's. Now we have our H's and our G's, and we are going to be snowballing each corner. I'm going to start with 2 corners and then press. Okay, so now we have these units, and we are going to take our G pieces and snowball the opposite 2 corners. Okay, now we have these snowballed units. We are going to take these flying geese and attach them to the bottom, making this look like an arrow. So now we have these units and these units, and we are going to be joining it together like this, and then one onto the other side. Now we have these units and the remainder of these, and we're going to join 2 of them like this. Now our units look like this, and we are going to be taking the remainder of these units and attaching them to the other side. Alright, so now we have each of our rows sewn, and we just need to join them together. Alright guys, this is our finished farmer star and it is lovely. I think this might be one of my favorite, here's the other one, of them so far. And it's definitely partly because of the fabric. I just love this Ruby Star Society fabric. And this is left over from a quilt that I made for my daughter. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.